Hey Hot Wheels fans, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I have something special to talk about. The Hot Wheels 4 Transit Connect, the treasure hunt. But before we get into the details, let's start with the unboxing. This Transit Connect really captures the spirit of urban adventure. It's a white van decorated with the colorful flowers, and you will spot the flower delivery on the sides. Plus, there is a cool symbol in a flower showing it's a limited edition. It means you got a treasure hunt. It has a purple tinted windows, a white interior, and a sturdy black base. And comes with the trapezoid 5-spoke wheels. Let's get into the test to roll. And they roll super smoothly. You can find this beauty in Mix M of the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline cases. So keep an eye out. And guess what? It's not just for display, it's a blast to race around. Imagine walking into a store and finding this gem sitting on the shelf. Those moments make collecting so exciting. Just how I did today. This 2024 Ford Transit Connect Treasure Hunt is a must-have for everyone because it's unique and limited availability really make it special. Trust me, this car will elevate your Hot Wheels collection. So if you see it, don't wait, grab it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Share your favorite treasure hunt finds in the comments, or let me know if there are other diecast cars you would like me to review. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.